In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use the BeReal social media app. Now this app's been gaining popularity recently because it's supposed to be marketed as a real social media where you capture real moments and you can only post once a day. So I'm going to explain everything and I'll show you how you can install it and how it works. So you can download this on your iPhone or your Android device. You just need to go to either the App Store or the Play Store and then just search for BeReal and you should find it here. So here is BeReal, your friends for real, not another social media. So go ahead and click the download button and install that to your device. Once you've got it installed, you can then open it and it will take you to the open page where it would like access to your contacts. You can give them access. Then it's going to ask you to invite friends from your contacts list. If you have friends already on BeReal, they will show here. If not, you can invite people if you want to. For this video though, I'm just going to skip in the top right hand corner. Now BeReal's unique selling point is every day they're going to send you a notification, and within 2 minutes of that notification, you can capture a raw, unfiltered moment and post it to your friends. So to post on BeReal, you have to allow notifications. So click allow, and you can see we've got a notification here. So we can click on this and we can take our first ever BeReal. It's recognized my account already, so I can't run you through signing up, but it's just like signing up to any social media. You enter in a username, a password, and an email. And once you're on the main BeReal section, you'll have My Friends and Discovery. So your friends will show all of the people you've got added, and it will show their photos. If you go to Discovery, you can scroll through other people's photos. Now the thing about BeReal, when you capture a moment, it will capture your front camera and your back camera, so it will basically capture everything. And it's just going to be a real moment here that you're meant to post online. Now if I go to my profile in the top right hand corner, you can see on the 18th I posted a BeReal, and that's because I got a notification asking me to post. Now I don't currently have a notification asking me to post my BeReal, so I can't show you what that looks like. It's only until you get a notification that you can actually post, and when you do get a notification, you're going to have 2 minutes to post to BeReal. Now, if you want to find your invite link to BeReal, go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then it will be at the bottom. If you want to add me, my username is BradleyBRXD, so go and add me on BeReal. But that's the basis of BeReal. You essentially post when you get a notification, and you just post something raw and unfiltered. If that helped you out, please do leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.